Hello friends, this is me, Ashok. You're watching me on Finding Happiness in Small Things.
Okay.
I had a little bit trouble with the voice recorded. I'm doing voiceover, so this is about riding gears for motorcycle, what you should do when riding. This is my box. I have a jacket which is like padded. It has a lot of padding on front, back, shoulder, arms, and on tummy area also there is a belt. It's little easy to wear. It has a lot of ventilation. You can wear it like normally, like I'm wearing. It's not a problem, but this is really good in case of crash. So whenever you are riding a bike, don't ever think that you don't need it. You're just going here and there. Anytime you are riding it, you should be in full gears. This is going to protect you rather than getting injured and staying in hospital with broken bones. So bikes are really heavy, but this thing is going to protect you from fall, especially on shoulders part and chest part, back part. So the bikes go really fast here, and it's a lot of traffic, a lot of curves. So look at that, back is really good, and these wrist and your shoulders, they are totally covered. So take a look. It looks good. It has some visibility also. It has like there's red colors. It gives you visibility. But I will have another visibility jacket also. This is the pant that I wear. This is like special motorcycle riding pant that I wear on the top of my existing pant. I'll take out anything from my existing the pant that I'm wearing. So that pant is going to help me with another padding. So the things inside cannot be accessed. I will wear this pant over my existing pant. This pant is like a special fabric and double layer, triple layer, and with the paddings, like solid paddings on bumps area and knees and thighs. So it really protects you whenever there is a fall. So these falls are not intentional. It happens anytime. Whenever some accident happens, somebody hits you or you lose the control, this is when it comes handy. Whenever you wear these riding gears, you feel like very comfortable. When you are not wearing, you are always thinking of like, oh, what happens if I fall? I will get injured. So with this, it feels like you are secure and you have confidence. So it has two pockets also. All these riding gears I bought it from Amazon. They are readily available, but the only thing is you have to buy it and you have to wear it with every ride, whenever you go. So I'm going to show you the visibility jacket. Visibility jacket is also it's a very bright green color. Most of the people that who are like workers on the road, they wear it. And what happens is this visibility will be very much visible to drivers, big cars or trucks. Whenever they see that, oh, there is like a shiny green thing, so they feel like, okay, something is there. Most of the accidents happens because these big vehicles, they don't see you. Now next one is these shoes. These shoes are really good shoes, like a steel toe on the front, and the back side is totally covered like pure leather. solid shoes. So it's going to protect your ankles and feet. This is my helmet that I am going to wear. This is also DOT approved and a really good one, and it will protect your head. So we'll really recommend wearing all these.